Hi,
Hello.
how are
Hi.
you?
I'm good. How's you?
I'm good, thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from India and my state is Rajasthan.
Okay. Oh, hi. I can see you now.
Say
You have
hi.
kids.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
He's my son and she's my niece and he's my nephew.
Oh, okay. Nice. What are you guys up to today?
Yes. Beta speaker. Uh, are you from which country?
I'm from the United States. I live in Ecuador, though.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great.
What are you guys doing this weekend?
Actually, we are kids are playing with me. The time is here is 6:41 p.m. and in this time we play outdoor activities. We perform outdoor activities.
Nice. Yeah, looks fun. So cute.
Yeah.
Aw. And why do you want to
And
practice your English?
actually, I am in job also, and this is my first session in Cambly. And I
Mm,
wants to improve my English, so I thought I should join it and should talk to some speakers.
yeah, nice. What do you do for work?
I had did my engineering in 2012. I'm computer engineer, and from last 11 years, I am in a job, government job, and my designation is assistant programmer.
Oh, okay, awesome. Yeah. Do you have to speak English pretty often then?
Actually, there is a lack of fluency. I can speak simple words, but complex sentences, I find it difficult to speak complex sentences.
Okay. Well, you sound good so far. So nice. Yeah. And let me see here. So on Cambly, just so you know, since it's your first day, there are different classes you can do on here. So I can show you one. So for
Okay.
example, um,
नीचे आ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ.
there are these different classes you can do too.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you feel like trying something like this?
Sorry.
Do you want to try something like this today?
Uh,
Or
can you
just
repeat it?
do you want to try this lesson?
Yes, yes, I want to try it.
Okay. Cool. Let's see.
आदू आदू क्या हुआ? Actually, kids are disturbing a lot, and suddenly my son started to crying. क्या हुआ आदि?
Poor guy.
The weather has changed suddenly, and it's about that raining may start. So he go inside house, and he was alone. So
Oh.
so he started to crying that come mama, mama come.
Oh.
In Rajasthan, there are different type of weather. So sometimes it's very hot, and on the other hand, there may be rainy season, or there may be some strong air. नहीं लगेगा बेटा, माँ बड़ी है, इधर आओ, ऐसे नहीं करते. देखो यहाँ देखो, देखो दीदी से बात करो. Look here.
Cute. How old is he?
Yeah.
How old how old is your son? Like
So
4?
now let's start our lesson.
Okay.
कुछ नहीं
So
होगा
this
अभी.
is about family.
Okay.
So is your immediate family very close?
The kids are very disturbing. and they are
It's okay.
they need attention all the time.
Right. That's how kids are.
Okay, now we should. Okay.
Okay. So is your immediate family very close? Why or why not? So like are you friends with your sisters, your brothers, things like that?
Um,
Hi.
I think I have to reply in the first questions. Okay.
What's that?
We are
Skip the
discussing the
first.
text that is showing below. Is
Yeah,
your
so can
immediate
you
family
see this?
very close?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes. I live in a joint family, and the all family members are very close to each other. I have good understanding with my sister-in-law, brother-in-law, mother-in-law,
Nice.
and father-in-law. We
Ah,
all
okay.
enjoy our life.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
we
nice.
we understand the feeling of each other
Mm-hmm.
and
And
respect each other's thoughts.
yeah, that's nice. That's not as common in the US, but I think it's nice if you can live with your family.
Yes, it's very common in India. There is a
Hmm.
concept of joint family.
Yeah, yeah, that's nicer. And let's
Yeah.
see. Do you have frequent do you have frequent communication or interactions with your extended family? So that's like grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins.
Yes, yes. So I frequent communicate with my grandparents or my uncle and aunts.
Hmm.
And generally, I don't talk to them because I my schedule is very busy, and I go to office from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And
Hmm.
in the morning and in the evening time, I do household chores and I have family responsibility and kids responsibility. But
Yeah.
whenever I feel free, like once in a week, then I talk to some relative.
Yeah, that's nice. Do your grandparents and aunts, uncles, do they all live close to you?
Yes, yes. And sometimes it's not possible to call to anyone. So we can generally I chat to on WhatsApp or whenever we see a status of someone, then it's like we have talked to them.
Uh-huh. Yeah. And okay, so in your family, do you think everyone has a different role?
Ah, yes, of course. Everyone has different roles. Like I do the household chores like in kitchen or and I also do cleaning work. And we have cows. We have four cows. So my mother-in-law do the work related to cow, and she also we also have some vegetables in our garden. Uh,
Hmm.
and we my mother-in-law, sister-in-law, and I combinedly look after our kids, and
Yeah.
we all do some things like we have divided our work, family work and other outside family work. So we do different type of works.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, that's so different from the US. That's nice. Everyone in the US kind of lives like separate from family. Like we see each other. Well, I don't live in the US right now, but you'll see your family like once a month or something like that. But that sounds
Have you
nice.
ever visited to India?
No, I've never been. It'd be awesome to go
You should
someday
come.
though.
You should come to India. There are lot of tourist places, and the the bonding between families is very good. So whenever
Yeah.
I think you should come here.
Yeah. I have a couple of friends who have been to India and they loved it. Yeah, it looks really
Okay.
nice. I live in
Okay.
Ecuador right now in South America, and it's kind of similar though with the families. People usually stay like with their parents or they live close to their cousins and aunts and uncles, so it's nice here too.
Okay.
All right, let's see here. I think my internet is bad. One second, let me reload this page. I can't see it very well. Hmm. I'm not sure why we can't see this slide. Let me try again. Hmm. All right. Well, I'm not sure what happened to these slides, but I think we can just maybe talk the rest of the time. All right. Can you see this slide here? Do you see anything here, or I'm not sure if it's just me. I don't see anything. Okay. What else is? Tell me more about the culture in India. So I know about family. Yeah, tell me more. What else is like? How does it work with like marriage, for example, in India? Like, do people get married? Like, what age is normal?
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Oh, I was saying maybe you can tell me more about the culture in India. So, for example,
Okay.
like with marriage, like when do people usually get married? And yeah, that kind of thing.
Actually, marriage is the family involvement is very important in the marriage of two persons, and the boys and bride and groom's family meet to each other first, and they select that whether the boy or girl is perfect to each other. First, the family members of a girl goes to the home of boy, and if they thinks that the boy is suitable for their daughter, then they say yes. And on the other hand, the boys' families visit to girls' families, and they both families whenever both families agree, then they will say yes to a marriage generally. And it's the case of 60%. In 40%, the boy and girls find their pairs, and they told their family that we want to marry this one, and generally their families agree.
Mm-hmm.
But the agreement of family is very necessary, because it's the culture of India, and generally 90% of persons respect their elders, and especially mother and fathers and grandparents, so they take their permission before getting married.
Mm, okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, interesting.
And we have the lot of guests are also invited in the someone's marriage. Nearly 2000 guests are invited in a marriage.